Your crush deleted their WhatsApp message before you could read it. You saw the notification pop up, but when you opened the app, it was gone. Here's the way to find out exactly what they sent, even after it's been deleted. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on the Notifications option. Now you'll see a few settings related to how your phone handles notifications. Tap on Advanced Settings to continue. If you don't find Advanced Setting option, don't worry. In this options menu, look for an option called Notification History. Tap on Notification History. Now, make sure the toggle is turned on. This is the most important step. Without this turned on, your phone won't save deleted messages. Once enabled, your phone will automatically store all your incoming notifications, including WhatsApp messages. So even if someone deletes a message right after sending it, you'll still be able to see it here. Just come back to Notification History and scroll through the list. Look for the WhatsApp message under the time it was received. You'll find the original message, even if it's been deleted in the chat. This method works on most modern Android devices that have the Notification History feature. Unfortunately, it doesn't work on iPhones because iOS doesn't support full notification logging like Android does. And that's it. Now you'll never miss a deleted message again. Please like and subscribe for more tech tip tutorials. Thanks for watching.